Mom, this charger is not working.
What do you mean?
I plugged it in, but my phone is not charging at all.
Did you check the switch?
Yes, I checked twice. See, it connects, then disconnects.
Maybe it is defective.
Should I go back to the shop?
Of course. If it is not working, you should return it.
But what if he refuses?
Speak politely, explain clearly. Nothing will happen.
Hello, sir. I bought this charger yesterday. Yes, I remember. Is there any problem? It is not working properly. Not working? Are you sure? Yes, sir. It connects and then disconnects.
Give it to me. I will check it.
Yes, sir.
Wait a moment. Let me plug it in. It is charging now.
Really? But at home it was not charging at all.
See, the battery symbol is showing.
Yes, sir. But sometimes it connects and then it stops.
Maybe the wire is loose. Try moving it a little. Okay, let me check properly. Oh, wait. Now it stopped.
Yes, sir, that is the problem. It works for a few seconds, then it disconnects.
Did you drop it?
No, sir. I used it carefully.
Oh, now I see. The connection is loose inside.
Yes, sir. That is what I was trying to explain.
Okay, I will replace it.
Really? Thank you, sir.
Next time, keep the bill safe.
Yes, sir. I will.
So, what happened?
He replaced it.
See? I told you. If you speak clearly, people understand.
I was nervous at first, but I explained everything.
That is confidence.
Now it's working.